Vanakkam guys, welcome to Vidya's Healthy Kitchen. Today I'm going to make healthy granola bars with no sugar, no butter and no baking, that is no oven needed. Granola bar is a very good source of fiber, protein, iron and vitamins. You can have it as on-the-go breakfast or give it as a healthy snack for kids or even have it post-workout. Granola bars that are available in the market have loads of sugar, butter and they are pretty expensive too. So today I'm going to show you how these granola bars can be made easily at home with no sugar and no butter. These energy boosters have oats, dates, nuts, berries and seeds that have all good nutrients in them. Also, this recipe gives you enough flexibility in the choice of ingredients. You can add or skip any nut, berry or seed according to your taste, choice and availability. Before I begin, I would like to thank all the lovely people who have already subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much. You guys mean a lot to me. And those who have not subscribed yet, please do so. The link is given in the description. You can find healthy and tasty recipes in my channel. Let's now dive into the recipe. Firstly, I have taken 2 cups of rolled oats. Rolled oats are different from the regular oats in the size. They are big and is preferred in making granola bars as it would help in easy binding and giving shape to the bar. However, you can use instant oats as well. Now I am going to dry roast the oats for about 3 to 4 minutes on medium low. It is roasted well. I am going to transfer it into a bowl and let it cool. Now I am adding 1/4 cup of puffed rice, that is pori or murmura. I am going to dry roast this as well. Puffed rice gives nice crunchy taste to the granola bar. However, adding this is entirely optional. Now I am transferring this also into a bowl and going to let it cool. Now it is time to dry roast the nuts. I am adding 1/2 cup of chopped almonds or badam, 1/4 cup of walnuts, that is akhroot, 1/4 cup of cashew nuts, that is mundri or kaju, 1 tablespoon of chopped pistachios, that is pista. I am going to dry roast them for about 3 to 4 minutes. As I already mentioned, adding and skipping any nut is of your choice. If you don't want to add pista or walnut, you can skip them. However, I would personally suggest not to skip almonds as it is one of the healthiest nuts and gives very good taste to the granola bar. You can also add peanuts in small quantity if you like. They are roasted very well. I am going to transfer it into a bowl and let it cool. Now comes seeds. I am adding 1/2 cup of sunflower seeds, 1/2 cup of pumpkin seeds and 2 tablespoons of flax seeds. I am going to dry roast them for about 3 to 4 minutes. These seeds are very rich in healthy fats and antioxidants. But in case you don't have all of these, you can choose to add only flax seeds and add eld, that is til or sesame seeds instead. Now they are roasted well. I'm again going to transfer it to a bowl and let it cool. Now I've taken 1 cup of soft dates. I'm going to de-seed them and transfer them to a mixer jar and grind them into a fine paste. A quick tip here, suppose if your dates are hard, you can soak them in hot water for about 30 minutes. But before grinding, drain the water completely. If there is water left, you won't be able to give the granola bar a shape and also the shelf life of the bar would be less. You won't be able to store it for a long time. Hence, remove the water completely before grinding. Now here, I am using soft dates. I am going to grind them directly. The paste is ready. Now to a mixing bowl, I am adding the roasted oats, roasted puffed rice, roasted nuts, roasted seeds, and now I am going to add the dried berries. I have here 1 tablespoon of chopped blueberries, 1 tablespoon of chopped cranberries, 1 tablespoon of black raisins, 1 tablespoon of dried cherries. Again, the choice of berries is yours. If you don't have all, you can simply add raisins. Now I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to give them all a quick mix. Now I'm transferring the dates paste into it. I'm also adding 1/4 cup of honey. Now we have to mix them very well. You have to use your hand for the same. It may not get mixed well using a spatula. It might get a little messy, but the outcome is going to be great. Few of you must be thinking that this recipe has too many ingredients and too many steps, but guys, trust me, it's all worth it. Once you make it, you're just going to love eating them. Now they're all mixed very well. I've taken a square bowl and covered it with a baking paper. If you don't have baking paper, you can just apply little oil. Now I'm going to transfer all the ingredients into the bowl and press them very well using a spatula. Press it so that the surface is even. Finally, I'm just keeping few berries on the top just for garnishing, and I'm going to press them too. Now I'm going to refrigerate this for about 1 hour. After 1 hour, I have taken it from the fridge. Now I'm going to cut them into bars. Look how beautiful it looks. Super healthy granola bars with loads of nuts, berries, seeds, and with no sugar, no butter, no baking are ready. Please try these granola bars and let me know how you liked it. I would love to hear your feedback on this. Till then, take care. Happy cooking!